Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our next ICT lesson. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already logged into Purple Mash. Now we will be using Purple Mash throughout the remainder of the year for all of our lessons. So please make sure that you remember your username and your password and you have all of those details. Okay, now guys, for those of you that have seen the previous video, it is basically how to log in. So for those of you that haven't logged in yet, please check the previous video so that you are sure of how to log into Purple Mash so that you know what you need to do. Then for today's activity is going to be a typing exercise. So it's for me to just check your basic keyboard knowledge and your skills in typing. Now what you are going to have to do once you have logged in and you are on the home screen of Purple Mash, you are going to click on Tools. From there you are going to go to Type. It is this little hand over here with the multiple colored fingertips. You are going to click on Type, and then you are going to scroll down to where it says there under the Moving On tab where it has Paragraphs. Okay, you are going to click on Paragraphs and it'll bring up this little menu over here. Now, these are various different stories that you need to retype. Okay, now guys, you can choose any 3 of these stories and do the typing exercises on them. Now, as soon as you are done with the story, the system automatically records your score and then I can get the marks off of the system. Now, I'm going to take your average for the 3 separate stories and that is going to be your first mark for the term. So please ensure that you do this correctly and properly. And obviously, guys, if you don't do it, sorry for you, but it is going to be a 0. You will not get a mark if you obviously do not do the work. Okay. Now, on this system, guys, as I said, I'll be able to see your marks. I'll be able to see when you logged in, when you did this, and how well you fared. The system automatically records the speed that you type at, your typing accuracy, and all of that. Okay, now, so for instance, you are going to select this story. If you click on it, there's going to be a brief, just a quick voiceover so that it tells you what to do. So you are going to click on that. You're going to click on launching the app, obviously, of yours or my.
How fast can you type the paragraph? Try to be as accurate as you can.
Okay, so it wants to know how fast you can type it. Okay, now please leave your game duration on 10 minutes and you are going to click on play. Now, as you can see, the letter that you need to type appears in red. Okay, now it is a capital letter, so guys, so please, if it is a capital, please ensure that you type it as a capital. Okay, so if you start off with the story and you start typing, as you can see, wherever you need to type, it has highlighted it in red. Okay, now as you are progressing, as you can see on the top left there, it gives you your score and your word per minute rating. Okay, so the system automatically tracks every single thing that you do and how well you are doing it. Okay, now if you are making a mistake, so for instance here you need to type in the letter Q, but if you type in different letters, that is not Q. As you can see, the score is decreasing and my words per minute as well is slowly decreasing. So the more mistakes you make, the lower your score is going to be. Okay, so guys, please ensure that you do this correctly. Now, you have a week to do this. Okay, so you have more than enough time to do the 3 paragraphs that you need to retype. And then in our next lesson, we will be moving on to coding. So please ensure that you do this. As I said, it counts for your first mark for the term. So please do this properly, guys. And as I said, you don't have to submit anything to me. Everything gets recorded on the system automatically. So I will get all of your marks and everything straight off of the system. Okay. So guys, I hope you have fun doing this. Stay safe out there. And then I'll see you guys again. Bye.